In this lesson, we will explore the concept of demand forecasting and its importance in effective inventory management. Demand forecasting is the process of predicting future customer demand for products or services using historical data, market trends, and analytical techniques. Accurate forecasting allows organizations to plan production, manage inventory levels, allocate resources, and meet customer needs efficiently. The main purpose of demand forecasting is to reduce uncertainty. Businesses operate in environments where customer preferences, economic conditions, and supply chain factors can change quickly. By anticipating demand, companies can prepare in advance, ensuring that they have the right quantity of goods available at the right time. Poor forecasting can lead to two major issues: stockouts, which result in lost sales and customer dissatisfaction, and overstocking, which ties up capital and increases storage costs. Demand forecasting plays a critical role across multiple business functions. In production planning, it helps determine how much to produce and when to produce it. In procurement, it guides purchasing decisions to ensure the availability of raw materials. In logistics, it helps design efficient distribution strategies. And in finance, it provides insights into revenue projections and budgeting. Essentially, forecasting connects every part of the supply chain, aligning operational decisions with market expectations. There are two main categories of demand forecasting: quantitative and qualitative. Quantitative forecasting relies on numerical data and statistical models. Methods such as time series analysis, moving averages, and regression models use historical sales patterns to predict future demand. These methods work best when sufficient data is available and when market conditions are relatively stable. On the other hand, qualitative forecasting depends on expert opinions, market research, and intuition. Techniques like the Delphi method or consumer surveys are valuable when data is limited or when forecasting new products or markets. Many companies use a combination of both methods to improve accuracy. A key aspect of effective forecasting is understanding the different types of demand patterns. Some products experience consistent demand throughout the year, while others are seasonal or influenced by promotional activities. Identifying these trends allows businesses to adjust their inventory strategies accordingly. For example, retailers might increase inventory before holiday seasons or new product launches, while manufacturers may plan maintenance during periods of low demand. Technology has revolutionized demand forecasting in recent years. Advanced analytics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning now enable businesses to process large volumes of data and uncover hidden patterns. These tools can analyze factors such as weather, social media trends, and economic indicators to make more accurate predictions. Real-time data integration also helps companies respond quickly to sudden changes in demand, improving agility and reducing the risk of errors. Collaboration is another essential element of successful forecasting. Sharing data across departments and with supply chain partners ensures that forecasts are based on complete and up-to-date information. Sales teams, marketing departments, and suppliers all contribute valuable insights that can refine forecasting models. This collaborative approach enhances accuracy and promotes transparency across the entire supply chain. It's important to note that no forecast is ever perfect. The goal is not to predict the future with absolute precision, but to minimize uncertainty and make better decisions. Businesses must continuously monitor actual demand, compare it with forecasted data, and adjust their models accordingly. This process, known as forecast accuracy tracking, helps identify areas for improvement and ensures continuous refinement. In summary, understanding demand forecasting is essential for achieving balance between supply and demand. It empowers organizations to plan efficiently, reduce waste, and enhance customer satisfaction. By combining data-driven techniques, expert insights, and technological innovation, companies can build forecasting systems that drive smarter decisions, improve performance, and create more resilient supply chains.